Okay, let me guess. You clicked on this video because of the thumbnail, didn't you? I thought so. Well, let me blow your mind real quickly. That exact thumbnail that you saw, I made it using a free tool powered by AI. Yes, you heard right. No fancy designer, no Photoshop, no Canva, just me, my idea, a secret tool, and a few clicks. And today I'm going to show you how to use that same tool to create scroll-stopping clickable thumbnails that actually get seen. So if you're ready to level up and finally stop guessing at what works and what doesn't work, grab your notebook or open a blank tab because I'm about to spill everything I've learned using a tool called Pixels. Are you ready? Well, let's go. Here's the shocking truth and my confession. Really, I use an outline video to create this thumbnail. That means it was one of those top performing videos that broke the pattern. It got way more views than the average video on that channel and it got more views than the subscribers. Tools like vidIQ can help you find those. And guess what? I recreated the thumbnail from that video using Pixels from that outlier video. Just typed in what I wanted and boom, the AI generated a stunning thumbnail that popped off. You don't need to open Canva anymore. Well, sometimes you do to do the edits. You don't need to know Photoshop. And you definitely don't need to drop $500 on a graphic designer. So go sign up for Pixels from the link in the description. Don't sleep on this. You can try it out for $1. $1. That's 150 thumbnails in 30 days. Try it, play with it, and then come right back here. And tell me how it worked for you. I'm sure you want to hear about thumbnails though, that get clicks. Well, here goes, and that's what you're here for. Pixels lets you create any of the 12 top performing YouTube thumbnail formats. Action-based thumbnails, perspective thumbnails, face-only thumbnails, object-only thumbnails, split panel thumbnails. It handles them all, and it does it fast. Here are some examples if you're creating from scratch. Let's say I'm making a travel video because I have a travel channel. And the video is called What Really Happens When You Miss Your International Flight. Are you still with me? Okay. So my prompt would be a woman at the airport screaming in panic while the departure board at the airport behind her says final call in red letters. Boom. Pixels generated a powerful, emotional, clickable thumbnail with the same prompt I gave. Then I changed her expression with just one line. Make the woman look confused instead of panicked. Keep everything else the same. Just like that. It updated the image without changing the whole scene, the whole background scene. Text-based thumbnails are also one of the top formats that are important to get clicks. Here's a prompt I used. Add the words travel disaster in bold neon green at the top. Done. The font pops, the message hooks, the vibe screams, you better click this video right now. Now I know some of y'all are thinking, what should I even type in the prompt? That's why I created my thumbnail creation bundle. It's got 50 plug and play prompts for you to get started. So you don't have to create it for yourself. It has 3 detailed video guides, an ebook with starting and planning strategies for your videos, and thumbnail checklist and a cheat sheet. So you can stop guessing and start creating. Okay? It pairs perfectly with Pixels too. The link for that is also in the description. Here's another example of a thumbnail prompt. And this is for the finance niche. And what I would do is when I'm on Pixels in the description box, I would type a stressed out woman holding a pink envelope labeled rent increase. next to a pile of bills. Add the text "Help me" in red font at the top of the thumbnail. YouTube goat niche? Here's a prompt. A person at a laptop looking shocked as their YouTube channel explodes with subscribers and views. Add the text "It finally worked" in big bold caps, yellow font as well. The lifestyle niche? A woman holding up a sweater with a "Do Not Buy" warning label glowing on it. All of these created with pixels. Let's say the person in your thumbnail doesn't look like you. Pixels has a face swap. Just upload your selfie of picture of yourself, and it replaces their face with yours. Done. Isn't that amazing? I use this in a thumbnail where I was sitting in a messy bedroom surrounded by Amazon packages for a video called "I Spent $1,000 on TikTok Products." Guess what happened? It was scary accurate, y'all. Pixels gave me the exact thing that I wanted. Here's where it gets juicy. Pixels lets you recreate thumbnails from any YouTube video. Paste in the URL into the box on Pixels. Select inspiration level low, medium, or high. It recreates the vibe, the format, the energy, but not the exact image. So it stays legal and ethical. No copyright issues. Yes, even Preston thumbnails, even Mr. Beast style stuff. You can finally compete without copying. Let me say this loud for the people in the back who haven't heard. Pixels is the shortcut you didn't know you needed until now. Whether you're new, faceless, over 50, in the finance niche, fashion, food, you name it. This tool levels the playing field for everybody. So click that link in the description. Don't sleep on it. Use my code TryPixels for just $1 for 30 days and watch your thumbnails transform. Okay, fam, here's what you do next. Step 1, you sign up for your Pixels account using the link below and my code, and you get 150 thumbnails for $1. Step 2, grab my thumbnail creation bundle to stop second guessing your prompts. Yes. If you're brand new, that's step 3, or you're running a faceless channel like I do, check out my YouTube Creator Starter Kit and my full ebook on launching your first faceless channel. All the links are in the description. Go click them now and take action. And let this be the day that your thumbnails start working for you and getting views and clicks and not against you. Because your next viral video is just one good thumbnail away. So let's get it. And guess what? I got you. And I know you got this. So just follow my instructions. And by the way, because you stayed until the end, I'm going to give you 2 free gifts. One is my free video planning guide, and one is my free viral video cheat sheet. Both links are also in the description, because that will help you to start to plan your videos and give you the strategy you need to level up. Don't you want to level up? I'm sure you do. In this YouTube game and YouTube streets and on this YouTube platform, you need everything you can get your hands on to be a winner. Take care now. You're already a winner because you listened to this video. So go sign up for Pixels and start making amazing thumbnails. See you soon.